So hello everybody, we are sitting at Mumbai airport and this time we have boarded Indigo flight with Visharda, and it was really very difficult because a lot of crowd in the check-in, but we got special assistance. They were not aware of any special assistance for the special kids. They were only aware of the wheelchair assistance, and we got a kind of special help from the Indigo Airlines, so that we could avoid, you can say, for Visharda we could avoid the crowd. But I found it little better, Indigo staff a little better compared to Air India. At least they were informed. And so I think the condition of Indian country as a country is very like they are very backward. They don't know anything about autism spectrum disorder, and I don't know what is the future of these kids, especially in terms of traveling. They are only aware of women who are pregnant. They are aware of women who are traveling with infants. They are aware of people who have problems in terms of walking, so they have wheelchair assistance, but they don't know anything about the special kids. So I think this is one area where Indian government needs to do a lot. So this is Visharda. She got little irritated, agitated during the check-in, but now she's little better. And though we have a disability certificate, DPNA number, everything, but nobody's aware on the airport, and we really had to struggle. So I don't know. I don't know what would parents of autistic or special kids will do in future if this is the situation of our country today, where actually none is aware, nobody actually is aware of what is autism spectrum disorder and how to handle these kids. And no, we have to request, even for boarding in the plane, that either we should be boarded in the beginning or in the end. uh, all the entire staff was clueless, but then they are trying their best to help us, but uh, I don't think that help is sufficient. Indigo is slightly better than Air India. In Air India, our experience was really bad. And though the air hostesses, they apologized later because we were getting trouble in terms of seat allocation, in terms of getting boarded in the plane, but all in worth. Nothing was actually worth, because what what do you say? We already had undergone a lot of inconvenience prior to landing in Mumbai when we were going from Delhi to Mumbai. Now we are on way back from Mumbai to Delhi, but this I think the inconvenience so far is little less. In, so I think the airlines and the government of India should do much more in terms of special kids, so that we as a parents can travel with much more confidence. Huh? So finally we have reached the gate, if you can see, and luckily we have got the aero bridge for the Indigo flight. And when we boarded the Air India flight from Delhi to Mumbai, that also had a aero bridge. So luckily this time also, while on our way back, we have the aero bridge. So I think that's a positive point for Visharda, but still lot needs to be done, so that the autistic parents can travel with confidence, because nobody is aware of autism and special kids and what kind of assistance do they need while traveling. So we need to work, the government needs to work in a big way, and they need to understand that assistance doesn't mean wheelchair only, it's much more than that. So finally, me and Visharda, we are sitting in Indigo flight on our way back to Delhi. And this is the Hamley toy which I always wanted to buy for Vishalda, because the phone does not work in the flight. So this is going to be a substitute for the phone, hopefully, which will make her keep seated, and hopefully she'll enjoy playing with the toy. Vishu, say hello. Show the toy. Show the toy. And hopefully Visharda. Okay, now she has handed over this toy to me because she's more interested in playing with her eyelashes. So hopefully everything is going to work fine, and we are going to reach safe back on our way to Mumbai. So on our way to Delhi. Visharda, say bye. We are on our way to Delhi.